In this fifth lecture of the Python beginner course, I want to talk to you about functions. This is going to be a short one, but an interesting one. So let's get right to it. So functions are essentially pieces of reusable code that you can use anywhere and you don't have to write more than once. So let's see how that works. So to define a function, we need to write the word def. Pretty self-explanatory. Def, and then the name of the function, which is, for now, some function, and then parentheses, and then a colon. Everything in Python works on indentations, so we need to write the code that is part of the function inside this indented space. So print my name is Oren and print. Okay, so this is my function. It's very basic. And now to actually activate the function, we need to call it. So how do we call it? We just write its name and we give the parentheses alongside it, and this is how we call it. So let's see what that gives us in the console. Run and debug, and I get my name is Oren and 1 + 1 = 2. Okay, now what happens if I don't call it? If I don't call it, nothing will show up. I have now commented out the actual calling of the function, and now if I run this again, nothing will show up and nothing have shown up. This is the most basic function in Python. So what you could do, you could give functions arguments to work with. So let's define another one. Def some function with arg, and we are going to give it arg, just one arg, and then print arg. And this is going to be my function. So I'm doing this in a very simplistic way. There are a lot of possible errors that I'm thinking about now, but I'm just trying to keep it simple. So bear with me. So let's say message equals this is my message, and now I can do some function with arg, and I call it and give it message. So let's see what happens now. Run and debug, and I get printed out this is my message, and this is the only place where I call message, where I have message called into the function, and that's why it's the only place that it's printed using this function. This is the most basic introduction to functions. In the next lecture, we are going to talk about classes, and then we can start thinking about larger constructs. So click this video right here and let's go talk about classes.